Hi guys, I'm Komal Borashan. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's recipe, I'll be showing you a Karnataka style Khara Bath, a popular breakfast item in most restaurants in Bangalore. A super simple recipe guys, so let's begin. So first in a pan, I'm going to take some Semolina or Rava which is already roasted, but yet I'm going to dry roast it for another 2 minutes till you get golden brown in color. And after this, in another pan, I'm going to start with ghee or oil. You can take anything of your choice. After this, I'm going to add some mustard seed, some urad dal, and some chana dal. Okay, we're going to wait till it sort of splutters. And after this, I am going to add some curry leaves and some green chilli. And then goes in some onions. Just saute this well. After this, a small tomato, some beans, and some cooked peas. You can even add capsicum, you can add carrot, anything of your choice. And now I'm going to add some turmeric and some salt, and I'm going to let this cook. Okay, for it to be cooked completely, I'm going to add in some water. I'm going to close it with a lid. So I have forgotten to add some ginger, so I'm adding it now. And then I'm going to add some sambar powder. Okay, so we're going to let this cook for some time till the water is completely dried. So once we know that all the veggies used have been properly cooked, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some hot water. Okay, make sure to check out my description box for a detailed recipe. And then in the hot water goes in our roasted semolina. At this point, I suggest you guys to turn off the gas and stir it continuously because we don't want any lumps right now. Okay, I'm just going to mix everything together, and after this I'm going to add some fresh coriander. And we're going to wait till the semolina is properly cooked and it has a nice consistency. After this, I'm going to turn off the gas and add some lime. And at the end, to top it all, I'm going to add some ghee, and we are ready guys. Make this for your breakfast, and trust me on this, the super famous Karnataka style Khara Bath is going to definitely tickle your taste buds. Coming to the presentation part, I have set the Khara Bath in a bowl and I am just going to place it. And this Khara Bath is enjoyed with some fresh coconut chutney. I hope you enjoyed my version of Khara Bath guys, and if you did, you know the drill to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Many more videos coming up your way guys, so stay tuned. Until next time, bye.